Some WVBB stars here at our beautiful ocean restaurant in the Vila Vita Park, Algarve. Next is we're gonna show you one of our final, let's say, petit-fours. It's our lollipop, our OCEO. You know that in my restaurant we always create kind of travels I did, and that's one of the first travels I did as a kid with my parents when we went to Italy. And you sit in the back of the car for hours, and you have an old Game Boy with one game. And you have to share it with your sisters, your siblings, and eating Oreo. So we said, okay, we create an ice lollipop. We'll remind you on the Oreo flavors. I think ours is a bit better than the original because we use really good cacao and good chocolate. So you have in the middle you have the milk foam, like original Oreo. We freeze it, we pre-freeze it. We make like little lollipops. And we stamp it out. The OCEO logo. So it looks like. And we're gonna turn it out. Floating already. Then you have it like that, like a frozen Oreo cookie. And then we ask our clients to just dip it like original Oreo when you would dip it in your milk. Just dip it a little bit and then it crumbles. So you really get this original Oreo flavor. That's how we call it, OCEO.